Wall Street is hoping to keep the momentum going following the stock market's best day in 3 weeks. Tuesday, the Dow rose more than 750 points, while the S&P and NASDAQ both jumped around 3%. And we are also seeing some good news at the pump. For the first time since May, the national average for a gallon of gas has dipped below $4.50. Now, that's for regular, not those premium users who are driving the fancy European cars out there. I'm just kidding. I love those people. NewsNation business contributor Lydia Moynihan joins us now for a look at some other money stories that matter today. Good morning, Lydia.
Good morning. Great to be here. Yeah, so it's going to be another busy day on Wall Street. Markets, of course, had a great day yesterday. I always prefer to be the bearer of good news. But the reaction is, a bit mixed because some reports are saying, oh, that's because earnings were just fantastic yesterday. Well, the reality is Johnson & Johnson, which reported earnings, was actually down following that report. So it was a mixed day in terms of earnings. But some investors are saying, look, we're just glad it wasn't Armageddon. That's the only thing we wanted to know. And that's enough to rally markets. Again, it was a great day. But if you look at historically, the Dow is still almost 15 points lower than its record highs. And the NASDAQ is almost 30 points lower than its record highs. Today, we're looking at Tesla will be reporting earnings. Abbott will be reporting earnings. It'll be interesting to hear what they have to say about the baby formula shortage, and Progressive's also reporting earnings, among other companies.
Now, it's interesting you mentioned Tesla because they're going to report earnings, and their CEO is Elon Musk, who may own Twitter or may not here in the next few months. Yesterday, Twitter won its motion to have a quicker trial. Now, they wanted it in September. Musk wanted it next year. It's going to be in October. So does that mean we're headed toward maybe a judgment in favor of Twitter, that he might be forced to buy the company after all?
Well, the judge yesterday really showed her hand of how she's thinking about this trial. Basically, Musk's argument for delaying this trial was that he needed more time for discovery. He needed more time to show that Twitter hadn't revealed all this data about how many bots there are. And the judge said, honestly, this has nothing to do with bots. This has to do whether or not you need to complete the transaction, and the bots is just a sideshow. So the fact that she made those comments kind of dismissing Elon Musk's concerns about bots seems to show her hand, seems to be an indication that she is more aligned with how Twitter is approaching this. So, of course, it's a question of how much money is Elon Musk going to pay? Is it going to be $1 billion for that breakup fee or more? Or is it going to be 40+ billion for Twitter? Are they going to renegotiate that price? But, it's funny. There were some pictures that emerged of Elon Musk the past few days off the coast of Mykonos on a yacht. So he doesn't seem to be too worried about it.
Yeah, he seems to be okay with it.
Unbothered.
Unbothered, I think, is the best way to put it. Lydia Moynihan, thank you very much for joining us. Interesting the judge said that, too, because that is kind of what Twitter said. So the judge is basically taking Twitter's side on this one.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.